Are you using AI to do your medical malpractice research? I want you to be very careful because not all the information you find on AI is accurate, especially with regard to the most important information in a medical malpractice case. So in this video, I'm going to help clear up some of those mistakes made by AI. Hi everybody, Frank Spector. Welcome to Straight Talk, where I pull back the curtain on medical malpractice. I am a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in D.C. If you're doing research with AI, and many of us are doing research with all different forms of AI, not all that information is accurate. Let me give you a good example of the most important issue in any case, and that's called the statute of limitations, the time limit. Now, those of you who follow me on my YouTube channel know this is a topic that's very near and dear to my heart. I do a lot of videos on statute of limitations. Why? Because if you call me after the time limit, I can't help you. There's nothing I can do to help you with a case if you call me when the statute of limitations has expired. And I've noticed over the last several weeks that many of you who have called have told me that you have used AI and you believe that the statute of limitations in Maryland is 5 years. But that's not true. The statute of limitations in Maryland is 3 years. You have 3 years from the date that you discover the injury to bring a lawsuit. Now, we do have a very confusing part of our law that does mention 5 years. I'm going to do another video about that because it's going to be too much information for today. But the general rule is it's 3 years. AI is picking up a lot of inaccuracies. The other inaccuracy that AI picks up is that for children, it still says that you have until age 11. That's what the Maryland law says, but we had a case that was decided many, many years ago that extended that to age 21. For some reason, AI is not picking that information up. So if you research the time limit for a child, it will still tell you that it's 11 years. Like I said, you have until age 21. So what do I suggest in this situation? AI is a very powerful tool. It's a very useful tool. However, when it comes to important issues in medical malpractice, I just wanted you to know that it's not always accurate. And what I recommend, it's best to speak to a live person. Speak to an experienced medical malpractice lawyer. Hope you found this information valuable. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in a future video.